How to file for divorce in Palmdale without a lawyer. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. A question I hear all the time from Palmdale residents is, do I really need a lawyer to get divorced? The truth is, if your divorce is amicable and you and your spouse agree on the terms, you don't need an attorney at all. Here's how it works. Your divorce will be filed through the Los Angeles County Superior Court at the Antelope Valley courthouse. You'll need to start with the petition and summons, properly serve your spouse, and exchange your financial disclosures. Once that's complete, you'll prepare and file your final judgment with all your agreements included. That's the part that trips most people up because the paperwork has to be precise, otherwise the court will reject it. For example, we worked with a Palmdale couple who tried to do everything themselves. After months of rejections and no progress, they came to us. We fixed their documents, filed everything correctly, and had their divorce approved in just weeks. At Divorce661.com, we specialize in handling these cases without attorneys. We prepare, e-file, serve, and finalize everything for one flat fee, so you don't have to worry about mistakes or wasted time. If you're ready to file for divorce in Palmdale without a lawyer and want the process to be smooth from start to finish, visit Divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation today.